In this video, we will utilize the AS-L Frequency 3D plotting module to examine the new Diamond Engineering DE726 reference horn. To begin with, we will first load up the data file DE726 and recall the gain data. Next, we'll launch the AS-L 3D module. This module presents us with three main plotting options: elevation versus frequency, azimuth versus frequency, or AS-L. The slider changes to the appropriate independent variable based on your selection. For example, if we click AS-L, the slider changes to frequency. Now let's take a look at this horn at 10 GHz. This module allows for 20 log or linear data as well, which we will use in this case. We will view it from the AS-L angles of 45 and 45. Clicking the Plot AS-L button displays the plotted data. Here we can see that the gain is well over 10 dB, as well as seeing exactly what it looks like. We also have the option of adding an ISO plane, which we will do at 8 dB. When we replot, we see the beam as it actually exists for roughly 3 dB down. This is a way which allows you to view beam shapes. We also have the option of contour plotting. In this section, we specify the contours we're looking for relative to the peak gain. In this case, I'm going to specify -3 dB, -6 dB. Now when I plot the contour plot, it also reveals the actual beam shape. We can see that the 6 dB beam width is fairly circular with a gain of around 5 dB. The gain of 3 dB down from the peak is 8.05, so the total gain is 11 dB. This is very useful for determining beam efficiency and beam shape. If we view the azimuth versus frequency, then the slider changes to elevation. After plotting the frequency response, we can see that over frequency, the gain of the antenna is monotonically increasing. We can do the same for elevation versus frequency. We'll slide the azimuth slider to 0 degrees and replot once again. Now we have the gain over frequency and elevation. The AS-L frequency plot module can be used to display data for a variety of applications. There are other options such as multiple plots, holding plots, or adding a wireframe. The holding plots button allows you to superimpose many different plots over one another, allowing you to examine the different sizes and shapes. The azimuth offset option enables the shifting of the azimuth plot for antennas which are centered at about 0, where the plot does not have an end point. And this concludes our overview of the DE726 antenna and the AS-L F3D plotting module. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.